I am a black man in a white coat.
So on the way back home, I don't know if I was pressing the buttons on the steering wheel or not, but my dashboard went out. Like the complete dashboard just went blank, and I'm driving and I have kids in the car, so I have to remain calm, but inside I'm like, oh my god.
Hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, hey,
So we made it. Is that right, Carter?
It says they give
What'd it do?
coffee every morning between 6 a.m. and 10.
This is the room. I'm here with my boys, my guys, my peeps. Some coffee. Gonna need it. Yes, we just made it in from Houston. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be looking better. I'm very excited about tomorrow, so it's not about me or how I look. My son has shown an interest in science. I brought with me my nephew and my little cousin, and so hopefully tomorrow when you see me, there will be somewhat of a transformation. I don't even know if it's the correct color or not. And my lips look like this because I'm dehydrated, so I'm gonna drink some water and I need to put on a lip. About to get this party started. I really hope they enjoy the summit. We'll see. I'm looking like somebody's auntie with this long hair. To me, I look older with darker hair, and it's long, like it's long, but okay.
I'm good on that.
I can't.
My 9-year-old. So we showed up at the campus and the event was well thought out, very organized. We were in our seats and ready to go. We saw some amazing presenters. First black man to go into space was also a doctor, and he was very profound and very thoughtful.
Infinite possibilities. Let me tell you what that means. It means that each and every one of you in this room was born multi-potential, with the ability to do anything that you want to do in life. Number two, it means that each and every one of you in this room is multi-talented.
And the Black Men in White Coat Youth Summit was a complete success. Every aspect about it was awesome. So you did an amazing job, and I do believe you are a true rock star. Please keep up the good work. We're out here and we're looking at you and we're supporting you, and I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so kindly.
What did you see in your child or children that you clung to and begin to nurture and begin to feed and support and make space for?
When we're on this mission and we seem like it's impossible, like something happens outside of our control, and we're like, oh my God, no, this is just too much, I can't handle it. Just have faith. Just keep the faith and trust that everything's gonna be all right. So on the way home, I asked my nephew and my little cousin, you know, what did they think of the experience, and also my son, and they had this to say. What's one takeaway you got from the summit?
It is not as many black doctors as I thought, and there should be more. Way more. I think I'm gonna be an architect though. So. But he said he wanted to go into medicine, so.
Even in architecture. All right. Bet. You got one takeaway from the event?
That we as a race and agenda need to step up, because there have been less black doctors in this generation than there have in all the past generations.
On the way back home, my dashboard went out. Like the complete dashboard just went blank, and I'm driving and I have kids in the car, so I have to remain calm, but inside I'm like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? So I pull over and I'm scared to turn the car off, but there's no sounds, there's no, you know, odors, there's nothing leaking. So we kept it rolling.